Hi, I'm sure you've all seen Kim Kardashian over the internet the last few days talking about sunbeds. Why are they so bad? We know sunbeds emit ultraviolet rays about 10 to 15 times stronger than the really hottest Mediterranean midday sun, and they damage the skin's DNA over time and predispose to skin cancer. In Ireland, about 13,000 skin cancers are diagnosed every year. 12,000 of those are a combination of squamous cell carcinomas and also basal cell carcinomas. And these can be quite dangerous. And about 1,000 of that 13,000 are melanomas. And these are the most deadly forms of skin cancer. The World Health Organization says that sunbed use is a carcinogen. And so it really is a high risk factor for sunbed use. We know teens are particularly vulnerable to DNA damage from sunbeds, and in Ireland for a number of years sunbed use or hire to 18-year-olds or sale to 18-year-olds is illegal, so that shouldn't be happening, but I'm sure some of it is happening illegally. So teenagers really vulnerable to that kind of damage. You know, we know it's not a good way to get a tan. There's lots of myths around sunbeds. Oh, you can, get a tan first and that'll protect you when you go abroad. That's not true. It's not a good way to get your vitamin D. You can get that in cooler daylight for 10 or 15 minutes every day by just exposing your arms or legs to sunlight. So we don't need sunbeds. They're dangerous. They are high risk. There's so many good fake tan products out there nowadays. And I think going back, 30 years, we didn't really understand enough about the risks. Now we do. And to have celebrities endorsing them is really, irresponsible, and it's going to influence people that watch the Kardashians. So please don't follow any of their advice in terms of medical advice. By all means, look at their style or their makeup, whatever. But I just think sunbeds are an absolute no-no. And it's a question we ask in clinic every single day. And we ask about sun exposure, sunburns as a child, which many of us had, going back to the 60s and 70s, but we ask about sunbed use as well. So really steer away from them. They're not well controlled. The beams can be incredibly high and they're not a safe way to get a tan. And we know they have significant risks of damaging your DNA and predisposing to cancer. So please avoid them if you can at all costs. Take care. Bye.